friends. Welcome to How to Kill a Kit with Style. And please excuse my arm. I'm trying to get some print up here. So what I wanted to come on today is show you the kit that I'm going to be using. And I am mimicking the Counterfeit Kit Club's kit that they chose for August. And the kit they chose for August for this segment is the July 2019 scrapbooking add-on kit from Citrus Twist Kits. So I'm going to go through, this time I went ahead and kind of wrote down which each of the choices that they had and what I ended up picking. And I either tried to go with tone or feel, or I just had to have the piece of paper. Like it went different ways. But this is what I chose. Their first paper was Oh Summertime Lobsters by Pebbles. Now that was a really great peach paper with coral color lobsters. Didn't have anything like it. And so I went with just this really nice coral stripe. And yeah, so I thought that would end up at least giving me the coral tone. So let me go ahead and go like these. Then the next piece of paper was All Heart Stardust by Crepe Paper. And what that basically was, it's kind of like that crepe paper off-white, and it has stars on it. So I ended up, let's see, where's the Stardust one? Crepe paper, All Heart. There is a plan here. All right, so I have the crepe paper, All Heart, and this is the one I used for Stardust. It's just white with a kind of wonky black dot on it. So, oh, let me make sure you can still see my coral paper. There we go. Then next, I went with, for the Amy Tan Stay Sweet Summer Skies paper, I went with this tone on tone on tone on tone geometric aqua piece of paper, and I do really like this branding strip up here as well. There we go. Then my next paper, I have Dear Lizzie, It's All Good, Let's Play. And I ended up using this multi-tonal, it's a stripe, but it definitely looks like a hand-painted kind of a stripe. It's not, you know, that beautiful, straight, clean line. So that's kind of fun. For Paige Evans Horizon, number 20, it was, I believe the back side had this really great font kind of strip, so I went with this one. For Paige Evans Horizon number 10, it was a very gorgeous deep blue viney kind of thing, and this was about the same size vines, and the colors worked in with some of this coral. It's going to be a fun little stretch to include that. For the Dear Lizzie, It's All Good, Heart This, I decided to go ahead and use this paper here. It is, oh, and a lot of these papers are from One Canoe 2. Yes, from one of the One Canoe 2 paper pads. I really concentrated on paper pads this month for How to Kill a Kit with Style. So they had a repeating pattern, and I just went with a repeating pattern of little ice cream cones. And then finally, let's see, not finally, Crepe Paper All Heart Be You. I went ahead and grabbed out this really nice kind of, it's a white base paper, but really nice repeating arrows. So I have that. And then finally for the Vicki Boutin Kaleidoscope Odds and Ends paper, it was, the Odds and Ends paper has a bunch of colors on it and really, really thin little lines going through it with all the colors of the collection. So that's why I went ahead and just grabbed out a cut apart. Kind of my idea that it had all the colors of the collection, so it should work just fine. And then the next thing, there's 3 sheets of textured cardstock that came with the add-on kit. So I have 2 pieces here of twill. So I'm gonna kind of do I have room? So twill, kind of just a lovely light gray. Maybe I'll put it like that. And then I went with a really light baby blue aqua shade. So those are my 3 pieces of cardstock. Then what I did, let me go with the embellishments. The Out and About die cut paper ephemera. So the cool thing is I do have a partial set of Out and About die cut ephemera. So I went ahead and grabbed that. These are from a scrap room kit. So there's the ephemera, and it looks like I also have like a little epoxy piece in there. But I actually did have the correct set of ephemera, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that. Let me give you a little peeky peek at that. I'm kind of excited. Oh, there's also a frame in there. Cool. So next, I had the Indigo and Ivy Indigo Puffy Alphabet stickers by Pink Paisley. And I just so happen to have them, and I've used a ton. So my plan is to try to use just a few more. So since I don't have a ton left of these, and I'll concentrate on these, I went ahead and grabbed the Dear Lizzie Main Squeeze Puffy Letter Stickers. They're this really great metallic gold, and they're puffy, puffy, puffy. I have 2 sets because I don't want to run out of ease. All right, next, the Joyful Day Puffy Phrase Stickers from Pink Fresh. Where's my, oh, now I did not have them. So what I did was grab this Heidi Swap set of phrase stickers, and they are puffy-ish, and they are gold. So those should go just fine, and hey, maybe I'll even use them up. So next after that, let me put that down. I just wanted you to be able to see those. The All Heart Dreamer Glossy Puffy stickers. Let's see, by Crepe Paper. And I do have them. I've used up some, and the funny thing is I don't love them. These were very difficult for me to use the first time around, so I'm going to work very hard at making a better dent in them. I'm going to try. All right, Kaleidoscope Puffy Stickers by Vicki Boutin. I do have a partial set of those as well, so I thought I'd bring them on in. You know what? If it's not broke, why should I try to fix it? And then let's see, a bag of mixed sequins. I still have to grab a bag of mixed sequins. I did not get those, darn it. And I also have to grab out some paper clips. There was a split pack of colored paper clips. I do have to find some of those and some sequins to add. So give me 1 second, I'll go get them. Friends, so for the paper clips, I have these here, and they're from Hazelwood by One Canoe 2. There's 12 in there. You can see I never used them. And that's what the paper clips look like. So if I can get 3 or 4 used, I'll be thrilled. And then the other thing I want to show you is I did grab 2 different little sequin packs, and they're both partially used. And these have little snowflakes in there. I'm going to pretend they're flowers. I don't care. So I'm really going to be picking and choosing and trying to get these little fellas used up. Now, not asked for in the kit, I have this little, whoops, I have a washi tape, which has just about every color in the rainbow, and I have a set of Nouveau glitter drops. They're nice and they're sparkly and they're beautiful, and the color would be Summer Sunrise. Now the other little add-on dealio I have is I do happen to have this set right here from the Out and About collection from Pink Fresh Studios. And it's a lot of like cardstock stickery things. So I do have those, and I'd really like to use them. So I'm going to go ahead and include those as well, since I do have the partial set of the, ephemera, 1 epoxy clip, and a frame in my little kit here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we're going to see where this gets me. I have no idea. What I can tell you is that I am so excited with this kit. I think it's gorgeous and fun, and there's a lot of bright colors and a bunch of different directions I can go with it. So now for the business side of things, if you want to go ahead and like and subscribe down there, that would be so great because it lets YouTube know that you were happy with my content. If you want to hit the notification button right there, you can, because it'll let you know when I make another, or when I put up another video. And as for comments down below, I get back to people usually within 24 hours with my morning cup of coffee, so I would love to sit and chat with you as well. All right, bye friends. Oh, and if you feel like it, there's going to be a link down there below as well if you want to go see what's going on at the Counterfeit Kit Club. I'll put the Facebook link on. It is beyond fun, and I'm excited to be a part of it this month. Okay, bye friends.